Today's presentation is an overview of California Advanced Directives, specifically the legal forms in living wills and medical power of attorney. This information is based off of public documents from the Office of the Attorney General in California, recent as of July 8, 2012. Legal disclaimer: nothing in this presentation should be considered legal advice, and no attorney-client relationship is formed by use of this document, or that should say video presentation. This information may not be suited for your specific situation. Please consult an attorney for practical needs. Advanced Healthcare Directive. California Probate Code Section 4700, Section 41. 4700, the form provided in Section 4701 may, but need not, be used to create an advanced healthcare directive. The other sections of this division govern the effect of the form or any other writing used to create an advanced healthcare directive. The individual may complete or modify all or any part of the form in Section 4701. 4701. The statutory advanced healthcare directive form is as follows. Advanced Healthcare Directive, California Code Section 4701, Information. And this is the part I think you'll care most about. You have the right to give instructions about your own healthcare. You also have the right to name someone else to make healthcare decisions for you. This form, and you'll see the rest of the form, lets you do either or both of these things. It also lets you express your wishes regarding donation of organs and the designation of your primary physician. If you use this form, you will complete or modify all or any part of it. You are free to use a different form. And if you actually need these free forms, I'll have the link at the very end, but they're available for free at www.paperwell.com. That's www.paperwell.com. Alright, so part one of the form, which you'll see in a bit, is the power of attorney for healthcare. There is a whole bunch of text there, which I will let you, the first bullet that I'll let you read on your own. Second bullet, unless the form you sign limits the authority of your agent, the agent may make all healthcare decisions for you. This won't be the place for you to limit the authority of your agent. You need not limit the authority of your agent if you wish to rely on your agent for all healthcare decisions that may have to be made. If you choose not to limit the authority of the agent will have the right to 1. Consent or refuse consent to any care, treatment, service, or procedure to maintain, diagnose, or otherwise affect a physical or mental condition. Select or discharge healthcare providers in each position. Approve or disapprove diagnostic tests, surgical procedures, and programs and medications. Direct the provision, withholding, or withdrawal of artificial nutrition and hydration and all other forms of healthcare, including cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Make anatomical gifts, authorize an autopsy, and direct disposition of remains. Yeah, so that's part one. Part two of this form lets you give specific instructions about any aspect of your healthcare, whether or not you appoint an agent. And I will let you read the rest of that text on your own. That's part two. Part three of this form lets you express an intention to donate your bodily organs and tissues following your death. And part four of the form lets you designate a physician to have primary responsibility for your health. After completing this form, sign and date the form at the end. The form must be signed by 2 qualified witnesses or acknowledged before notary public. Give a copy of the signed and completed form to your physician or any other healthcare providers you may have, to any healthcare institution at which you are receiving care, and to any healthcare agent you have named. You should talk to the person you have named as agent to make sure that he or she understands your wishes and is willing to take responsibility. You have the right to revoke this advanced healthcare directive or replace this form at any time. And so the text is going to be really small, but again, part one is the power of attorney for healthcare. Part two is instructions for healthcare, so that's the living will. Part 3 is optional, donation of organs at death. Part 4 also optional if you want to assign your primary patient. Part 5 are the signatures of yourself and the witnesses. Part 6 is a special witness requirement. I realize I went over some of that rather quickly, but you'll see that filling out a advanced directive is not too complex. But to get the free forms and to get the instructions in text that you can read at your own pace, you can go to www.piccolo.com.